Hi guys, so today welcome to a second bronzium data card opening. As you can see here, I've collected 5.9k LI points to just open bronzium data cards and hopefully get something good out of this. So let's just start. Just gonna open the free one first. Gears. Most likely we'll get a lot of gears in this opening. Oh, we just got one Barris Offie shot. I'll show that to you guys after we finish opening. So you might actually just get really lucky in bronzium data card openings because you can get like 4-star characters. So anyways, just keep going. Oh, network. Oh, we just got IG86 7 shards because we already have him, so it's good. I really wanna make him 2 stars, I guess, because he's in my dark side team, because I don't have that many dark side characters that are better than him. So it'd be good to have him 2 stars. Really hoping for old Daka or Sidious. We're nearly there, nearly done. Really little shot in this opening. Just 2 character shots this opening. Hopefully we get something good soon. Nope. We're down to the last 1,000. And it seems like we don't have anything. And 700. Oh, and we're done. And we didn't get a lot of good things as I would expect, but we did get Barris Offie piece. Barris Offie is really good because she can heal a lot, and there's more best healers in the game. So I'm happy to get one of her piece, and also we have 7 shots of the IG86 Sentinel droid. It'll be good to promote them to 2 stars. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this episode, a second bronzium data card opening. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and thank you.